Hello guys, welcome to my next video. Today I am going to share PHP Ajax depend select box tutorial. Just you can select any kinds of countries like that: USA, select state, New York, and select city, Buffalo, etc. Also you can select another country's name, no problem, and you can include any country's name or delete any kinds of name. It's very easy and simple how it is possible. Now I'm going to share this. Just see my video description, and you can see all kinds of download codes from here. Just click this link, then you will go this interface, this website. This is my website, and just scroll down. You can see download source code. All kinds of download source code you can download from here. Just only one click. That if you click here, then you can download all kinds of source like that: index, then keys. Also my all kinds of data. That means how many countries name I am added here. You can edit, copy, delete from here all kinds of source code. Okay, database, no problem. And also if you scroll up, then you can see demo list. If you click here, then you can see all kinds of demo in my website. Just last demo, now I'm going to share this. See view details and view demos. If you click here like view detail, view demo, then you can see demo and also details. Click, then you can see all kinds of details from here. So guys, no more talk, let's go. Today we'll make this table. Everybody know, if you like to make this table, you have to go our C drive, then jam, then std docs. Now I'm going to make table 13. Already I have made. This is the database. No need to just copy. Just you can download from my website, only one click. Now I am creating index.php. This is very easy and simple. Just follow my video. Okay, this is done. Now I'm typing my all kinds of codes for index. Okay guys, already I'm typing all kinds of codes. Just I'm saying, if you change the title name, you can change the title name from here. It's very easy, you know that. And also HTML code you can change from here. Okay, so just if you just done your typing all kinds of codes, just click file and press save icon. And now we are making fish.php. Okay guys, now I'm typing. Okay guys, already I am typing all kinds of codes of fish. Lastly, I have a request. If you like this type of video, must be subscribe my channel and also like, comment in my videos. Okay, already all kinds of code typing done. Then click file and press save. Now checking localhost, my table and number was 13. Okay, press enter. You can see this is the table, and you can see all kinds of countries name. Select state, just firstly you have to select your country like India, and select Delhi, old Delhi. You can change, you can add everything. Well, already I'm saying that. So guys, no more today. Thank you very much.